What's up everyone, Dingo Tech here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Apple all new iPhone SE 2020 edition. And yes, I did change my YouTube channel name from SageBox to Dingo Tech just because people keep thinking that Sage is a plant rather than a wise man. And with the whole COVID-19 thing as well, make sure to keep you and your family safe. And with that out of the way, let's get to the video. It's finally here, ladies and gentlemen, after the whole confusion with delays or whatever due to the current pandemic. The iPhone SE 2020 was held back for a long time, but here it is, it's finally here. The box itself is very simple, just like how Apple always does things. But if we flip it to the back and look closer, it just basically just shows what's inside the box, which is the iPhone, obviously itself, the SE, AirPods with the lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB to power adapter. And since this is going to be the unlocked variant, it's going to support most of the cellular towers out there, which is a really good thing. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it's very simple. Put that out of the way. Simple opening it, very simple, clean and elegant, which is awesome. All right, before we get to that, I'll get to the phone in a second. Okay. Over here, you're going to get inside the container. It says here, this is the color red, which that's the one I got. I think this is a sticker, but I'm not really sure. Here just shows you just a few things about the iPhone itself. Nothing too major. Then you get the some stickers you can put on whatever you want. I think this is just battery information and stuff like that, just to avoid damaging your phone. And then this is the SIM card removing tool that comes with it. All right, and then here's the phone, and we'll get to that in a bit. You're obviously going to get your power brick, just like any standard iPhone out there. And then you'll get the standard headphone that comes with all iPhones, which is going to be the lightning to the AirPods. All right. And then over here, you're going to get your 3-foot lightning cable that comes with it. All right. With that out of the way, let's get to the major thing. It's going to be the iPhone itself. I got the red color. So it's not going to have the mat at the back, just going to be glass, because I think this supports the wireless charging as well, which is cool. Actually, that was quicker than I expected. So just basically click on the home button, English, just choose your state. This is going to be the setup process, but I'm going to go ahead and skip it just because I know it's long and tedious to watch through it. There we go. This is going to be the home screen, just like any other iPhone. You just press and hold on the home screen, and yeah, this is going to be your Siri. You can ask it whatever question that you want to. Everything is all the same like any other iPhone, just the messaging area. You wanted to set it up, the phone, got FaceTime, got your camera, just really cool. One of the coolest thing too is the fact that the phone does have the iPhone 11 A13 chip, so that means it's going to actually be really fast. I can't wait to test it out more and see how well it works. Other than that, this is it. I hope you are able to enjoy the video. If you liked the video, please go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe and leave a comment. And until next time, peace.